Welcome to Wisdom Story, where we share ancient teachings that can transform your modern life. Have you ever felt like wealth and prosperity are just out of reach, no matter how hard you try? What if I told you there's a simple, spiritual practice rooted in Buddhism that could open the doors quite literally to attracting more wealth and abundance into your life? In today's video, we're diving into a powerful ritual cleaning your door with sacred water to invite positive energy, prosperity, and even good health into your home. This is more than just a cleaning task, it's a ritual that can shift the energy of your entire space. Stay with us until the end to learn how this practice works and how you can easily integrate it into your routine. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly while others struggle? The answer might be closer than you think. What if the key to unlocking your financial potential is as simple as how you care for the entrance to your home? Let's explore this ancient secret together. By the end of this video, you'll have a deeper understanding of how to use a simple yet profound Buddhist ritual to transform your life. This isn't just about cleaning a door, it's about setting powerful intentions for the energy that flows into your home and life. Imagine walking into your home each day, knowing that you've set the stage for wealth, health, and happiness to come your way. That's the kind of impact this ritual can have. We'll guide you step by step on how to perform it, explain the deeper meaning behind it, and share tips on how to amplify its effects. If you're looking to attract more prosperity, or if you're someone who's open to exploring spiritual practices that enhance your daily life, this video is for you. Before we dive in, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Wisdom Story. Your support helps us continue to bring you powerful content that can change your life. Now, take a moment to think about your home. How does it feel when you walk in? Is it a place where you feel energized and at peace, or is there room for improvement? Let's change that together. Let's break down this practice in detail. Water, in Buddhist teachings, is much more than a physical substance. It represents purity, life, and the flow of energy. When used with intention, water has the power to cleanse not just physical spaces but also the energy within them. Here's what you'll need: a bowl of water, ideally collected from a natural source such as rainwater, but tap water will also do if blessed with positive intentions. Add a few drops of essential oils like lavender or sandalwood to enhance the energy. You can also include flower petals to bring in nature's vitality. As you prepare the water, take a moment to set your intentions. This step is crucial. It's what transforms ordinary water into a spiritual tool. Visualize your life filled with abundance, health, and happiness. Think about the specific areas where you want to see improvement, whether it's financial stability, career growth, or personal well-being. Now begin cleaning your door. Start from the top and work your way down, wiping away not just dust and dirt, but any stagnant or negative energy. As you do this, imagine the door as a gateway to new opportunities. Every time you wipe the surface, you're removing obstacles and inviting in prosperity. Why the door? In many spiritual traditions, the door symbolizes the threshold between the outside world and your private, personal space. It's the point of entry for all energies, good and bad. By keeping this space clean, both physically and energetically, you're ensuring that only positive, beneficial energies enter your home. Think about the significance of this act. How often do we overlook the energy of the spaces we inhabit? Yet, these spaces have a profound impact on our well-being and success. By performing this ritual, you're taking control of the energy flow into your life. You're not just waiting for wealth to come to you, you're actively inviting it in. There's a story of a merchant in ancient times who, despite his hard work, couldn't seem to accumulate wealth. He sought advice from a Buddhist monk who taught him this simple door cleaning ritual. The merchant followed the advice, and over time he noticed not just an improvement in his finances, but also in his overall peace and happiness. His home became a sanctuary of positivity, and his business began to flourish as a result. This ritual isn't just about wealth, it's about creating an environment that nurtures your mind, body, and spirit. When your space is filled with positive energy, it supports every aspect of your life. So, Now that you know the power of this simple Buddhist ritual, what will you do with this knowledge? Will you try it and see how it transforms your life? We'd love to hear from you. Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. Have you noticed a change in your environment after performing this ritual? What other practices have helped you invite more positivity into your life? If this video resonated with you, please like it, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Wisdom Story. By doing so, you're helping others discover these valuable teachings and creating a ripple effect of positivity and abundance. Remember, the path to wealth and happiness begins at your doorstep. Keep it open, keep it clean, and let the abundance flow in. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay open to the wisdom that surrounds you.